Master Servisi. Answer ka na? Ika-convert mo lang to. You have to convert this into cubic centimeter or cubic meter in order to cancel down. In order to cancel down. So that you can arrive the answer, which is what is the actual force of the water upward so that all will float. So you have to convert this into cubic meter. 62 letter. And every one letter, may nakita, then raised to negative 3 power cubic meter. Cancel na adi. So sige. Mira. Okay, Pira. You have to be ini exponent. Negative 3. Tapos 3. Pira rin answer. That is 62. Times. That is 0.062 cubic meter. Proceed na gina natin formula. Buoyant force is equal to rho, which is density, acceleration due to gravity, then volume. Okay. Then ang atom density. Ang atom density is 10 to the positive power. Kilogram per cubic meter. Ang atom G, pero natin ang acceleration due to gravity. That is 9.8 meter per second squared. Okay. Another volume, pera. Ang kinonvert. Okay. 0.062 cubic meter. Ano natin ka-cancel? If P is equal to, or buoyant force is equal to, multiply lang ito natin. Cancel natin kita. Ano natin ka-cancel? Ano natin ka-cancel? The same unit, kailangan i-cancel na na. Oh. Ano mabibili? Kilogram ngayon acceleration. That is force. Because mass times acceleration. Acceleration adi, force adi. Oh, mass adi. Multiply na itong matanan. Kira. Ano yung answer? Okay, is okay, 600 7.6 6 or that is 608 unit. Ano natin unit? You are dealing with force. Unit. We are dealing with force. May moment to lagyan pituhiya. Ika-convert ito ito. We are dealing with force. Just like energy. We are dealing with energy. Joule is the unit. But force, Newton. Very good. Newton is answer.